Since establishing in 2013, Yousu 3D has developed series of consumer-grade 3D filaments such as PLA, Silk PLA, Dual Color, Triple Color, Wood, Rainbow, as well as industrial-grade 3D filaments like PP, PC, TPU, PEI, PEEK. Due to the advantages of a stable filament diameter, easy to print, and consistent quality control, the sales be expanding quickly all over the world. iForm series be Yousu's 3D atoms for UV 3D resin, covering common rigid, ABS-like, water washable, dental mode, casting, and other products. It is suitable for consumer-grade 3D printers as frozen, anycubic, Lego, and also suitable for UV-carrying 3D printers like Formlabs and Carbon 3D, and to be used in prototyping, casting, dental mode, footwear, and other industries. iDrawing series be 3D printing pens of Yousu 3D, covering 3D pens of PLA filament and 3D printing pens of PCL filament at low temperature. It is widely used as STEAM teaching aids. It has the characteristics of high stability, jam-free, easy vertical drawing, Christmas gifts, toys, etc., and be highly welcomed by supermarkets, educational, and e-commercial customers.